Hi, we're gonna have a good time today. It's a little snowy. We tried to clear it off the deck, but it's like ice, so we're just gonna do it like this. Got a little nice fire going right there. But we have our cute little 8-inch Dutch oven from CampMaid, and I'm gonna make some cheesy bacon potatoes in here. And what I did is I cooked some bacon, and then I left some of the grease in the bottom. I just cooked the bacon in a cast iron skillet, and then put some the bacon grease in the bottom of the Dutch oven. And then I just cut up potatoes, onions, cheese, and bacon, and then just layered them. So I have 2 layers: bacon, cheese, potatoes, and then a few pats of butter. We're going to cook these at around 400 degrees for probably about 45 minutes. So with the 8-inch Dutch oven, we want 6 on the bottom. So let's put that right there. Then we're going to cook this yummy tri-tip steak on the grill here. But for 400 degrees, I need 14 on the top. So we'll just do this. This is going to be good. There's 4. Get them up here. Nice sunny day. It's a little chilly, but we're having a good time out here cooking on a nice Sunday afternoon. Relax. I lost count, but that looks pretty good. So we're going to do this tri-tip steak in direct heat. So I'm going to put the briquettes kind of towards the back of the grill right here. Like that. Let's get this and put it on. Do like that. Set the glove here, and then here's the tri-tip. So the briquettes are there, so I'm going to set the tri-tip on this side. We're just going to slowly cook this. I'm going to get it up to like 125 to 130, and then we'll sear it and brown it right over the coals at the very end, which is going to be pretty cool. And I'm going to light me another briquette chimney in case we need some more, but I think this will take about 45 minutes also. So we're going to stick the temperature probe in so we can monitor it. I'll get that all set up like that. That looks good. So here we go. We'll see you back. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. We want to add a little liquid to the potatoes, so I have some chicken broth here. Yeah, them briquettes, it's windy today. Look at the briquettes on the top are like burning down quick, but I just want to add a little bit of broth here.
Look how toasty that is.
That is good. I think that's enough, Jenny?
A little bit more.
All right.
Look at that. It's crisping up nice on the
Pretty
top.
good. The lid's really close to those potatoes, but look, it's getting those crispy brown. That's pretty good. So we're going to go about 15 or so more minutes. And then we'll look at this. The tri-tip is at 82, so it needs to come up a little bit. But I have more coals going up there, so we probably just burst the fire up here in about 20 minutes. But yeah, we'll see you back, and then we'll do it. Okay, it's been 45 minutes. We had I lit the other charcoal briquette chimney, and we loaded the barbecue up with the tri-tip steak. So right now it's cold outside, so I think that has something to do with it. But it's 102, so we got a little ways to go. But let's check the potatoes because they are smelling good. Let's pull this lid off. Holy smoke. You smell those onions.
Mm-hmm.
Big time.
And that bacon.
I'm going to try this. Just a little bit crunchy. So we got 15 or 20 more minutes on the meat. Try to add some more heat on these potatoes. But yeah, the flavor is awesome. So yeah, good times cooking in the outdoors. Okay, here we go. It's getting chilly out here, but the tri-tip's done. So it's like a 140. We're gonna pull this off. The potatoes are done. I'm gonna put it, I don't want to put it on that this cutting board. Potatoes are done. We took them inside. So let's do that. Let me pull that temperature probe out. There we go. Look at that. Awesome. Potatoes are done. Jenny made some delicious mushrooms. So we're going to take this inside, let it rest for 5 or 10, and then we'll dish this up and try it out. So we'll see you back. Okay, we're ready to roll. This is delicious. So here's the tri-tip, but I'm going to start with the potatoes here. So let's, oh man, look at that. Steam, yummy. Bacon, cheesy potatoes. So let's get this. Let's set this on the plate. That is pretty good. So we'll do that. And then here's the tri-tip. It's been resting here on the carving board for about 10 minutes. But look at this.
That's like prime rib.
Look at this, is like perfect.
It's looking like prime rib.
Look at all the juices. I mean, that is just awesome. So let's set this over here. And then Jenny made some yummy mushroom, garlic, onion stuff here. Put this on here. Yeah. Yummy. So let's do that. But I want to try this. A tri-tip. That's pretty dang good. Yummy. So this was the tri-tip. We got it at Costco. It's marinated and everything. Yummy. Oh, that is so good. It has a nice briquette flavor, barbecue flavor. Let's try these mushrooms. Okay, Jenny stopped the recording because she thought it was funny that I said briquette flavor. But yeah, barbecue flavor. So that's what I meant. The barbecue flavor on this tri-tip. And look, and here's the mushrooms. Yummy. Potatoes. They cook up so good. Delicious. That's hot. So there you go. Dutch oven cheesy bacon potatoes, tri-tip steak on the barbecue. Jenny's magical mushroom dish on the cast iron skillet in the house. Good times.